The HELENA project is setting new standards for electrified transport by developing advanced halide solid-state batteries. Over the past 2 years, the HELENA consortium has worked hard across all the battery value chain, driving innovation from the materials that make up the cells to their integration into vehicles and aircraft. Together, we are building a sustainable future for mobility. In fact, it all begins with the right materials and the development of optimized components. From high-energy materials to scalable battery components, HELENA is laying the groundwork for efficient, long-lasting batteries.
We are providing cutting-edge halide electrolyte materials that enable high-energy, long-lasting batteries essential for next-generation transport solutions.
Our work focuses on developing and optimizing the formulation of key battery components such as high-voltage positive electrode and electrolyte thin-film separators. This will ensure robust performance from lab-scale testing to manufacturing innovation.
Scaling up these innovations is crucial, and ensuring their safety in real-world conditions is equally important. HELENA is advancing large-scale battery production while rigorously testing for safety and longevity.
At Custom Cells, we are scaling up the production of large-format multi-layer battery cells up to 10 ampere-hour, bringing lab advancements into the field of industrial manufacturing.
We ensure the safety and reliability of these advanced batteries of HELENA project through organized agent test and safety protocols and comply with electric vehicle and aircraft requirements.
To ensure these batteries meet future demands, advanced modeling and sustainability assessments are integral parts of the process. From performance prediction to recycling strategies, HELENA is committed to a greener, longer-lasting battery life cycle.
Our multi-scale, multi-physics models help to predict and optimize the performance and life cycle of these batteries, ensuring they meet the demands of future mobility.
Sustainability is at the core of our work as we assess the life cycle and develop efficient recycling strategies for solid-state batteries.
Ultimately, these innovations reach the end users. HELENA batteries are designed to power the vehicles and aircraft of the future, setting the standard for sustainable electric mobility.
We are preparing to integrate these advanced batteries into electric aviation and automotive applications, pushing the boundaries of sustainable mobility.
HELENA continues to break new ground, from materials to final applications, ensuring the future of transport is electric, scalable, and sustainable. Each partner in this project is crucial to building that future. Are you ready to join us?